Sound check, sound check, sound check. Everybody give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. We are streaming. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Freaking propaganda on YouTube, right? I had a YouTube ad blocker, but doesn't work. Give me a second, everybody. 2 propagandas. Wow. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. Yeah, I'm sorry for yesterday. You know, I was too late, right? I didn't know we had class yesterday. Give it a second. Alright, here we are, here we are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the boss. Sooner or later, your boss, right? And welcome to the... welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101. And we are in the Forex Trading Week, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. What's the goal? To bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years on average. If you want the free ebook, everybody, please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. and if you want the free manual, please send me an email. Alright, it's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. Moving forward, you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. So everybody, it's time to put on your strategies, you know, prepare your strategies, okay? And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. In the Forex Trading Week, we are working on number 2 and number 3. Hello Sam, how are you? Please disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, especially in the Forex Trading Week. Alright, everybody? Now, as always, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced, Sam, you're already in, but Advanced Institutional Trader Program. It's the group call, alright? The last time it was date. Okay, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair, alright? And let's implement what we have learned so far into the live market. We finished trading Japanese candlesticks, the sign language of the market, everybody. So it's time for you to, you know, bring your strategy, everybody. Okay. Sam, you are the only one on YouTube so far. More people are coming. Sam, how are you going to make pips and money today? Type in the chat a currency pair. In the meantime, I'm going to go with... Oh, hello Alexander, how are you? First comes, first is served, everybody. You know the procedure, right? First comes, first is served. Okay? Type in the chat, buy or sell, what time frame, what pattern, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. That's the procedure. And remember, first comes, first is served. Sam and Alexander, more people are coming. How are you going to make money? Type in the chat a currency pair of your choice. YouTube too, first comes, first is served. Everybody, first comes, first is served. There is no right or wrong. You can ask any currency pairs, cryptos too, any currency pairs. You know, there is no right or wrong. You can ask for Bitcoin too. Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have about settings, view, service. Not sure where to check. Let me get rid of those. Out. So here are the economic event, pattern, no, replay, no. Where are the instruments? Maybe here? Oh, here. Instruments. Not sure. AUD USD. All right, everybody. Alexander says AUD USD. How are you going to make money with AUD USD? Everybody, type in the chat buy or sell. Hedge fund trader Alexander, buy or sell. What time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Sam, you are starting on Monday. Sam, how are you going to make tips and money on AUD USD? What's the procedure? Number one, we are going to check the news, right? Give it a second. Looks like computer is slow today. It's slow, right? So we need to go to Forex Factory. There you go. Forexfactory.com calendar. It's 11 a.m. my time. So you need to check if your time zone is correct. And today we are 24. Euro not relevant. USD not relevant, just passed. Flash not relevant. I mean, maybe for the day traders. 10:45, it's over. Okay, no relevant news. Tomorrow, wow, Friday. Tomorrow we have the CAD, right? So the news events are over, everybody. Hedge fund trader Alexander and hedge fund trader Sam, how are you going to make pips and money out of AUD USD, everybody? How are you going to make pips and money? Type in the chat buy or sell. Type in the chat what pattern, you know. I'm looking at the daily chart. You can choose anything you want. Everybody talk to me. Was this down extension predictable, yes or not? Talk to me, everybody. I'm looking for traders. Talk to me. Analysts, talk to me. Were this down extension like predictable? How many of you, I'm not saying right or wrong, it's a perception thing. How many of you saw an uptrend and you wanted to buy the continuation of the uptrend and you lose? How many of you saw consolidation and you are shorting the market and you are winning? Everybody. And be honest, you know, me back in time, 20 years ago, I've seen the uptrend and I want to buy the uptrend, right? 1 hour buy. Boss, why would you buy something that is falling? Boss. Alexander, boss, why would you buy something that it's making lower lows, lower highs, boss? Why would you buy? I'm not. Alexander is wrong. There is no right or wrong. It's about say it with me. Probabilities. It's about probabilities. There is no right or wrong. You're the boss, eh? You're the boss, Alexander. Alexander wants to buy the 1 hour chart. So, Alexander, what is at stake? If you're not going to take advantage of the Black Friday promotion, then you can come to the one lesson of the group call of the Advanced Institutional Trader. Everybody, the student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader program, group call. Okay, so try not to do. It's too late. What is too late? No, it's not. I'm going to enter right now. AUD USD 1 hour buy. So we're going to buy at the market. Stop loss. It's at 0.91755. Take profit 91. It doesn't allow me. Why not? Order price. It's 19. Oh. Maybe your stop is too tight. Maybe your stop is too tight. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Come on, Forex. It's not Friday, you know. Oh, there you go. Stop loss 9190. AUD USD. Alexander, you might be looking at a different currency pair. I have 0.55. You put 0.91. Are you looking at AUD USD, Alexander? Wrong stop loss. Okay, put it again. But everybody, there is no right or wrong, fair enough. Why? This is the market, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. The money on the 1 hour chart is already been made because you are at past resistance. Make sense, everybody? In my humble opinion. 1 minute, all good. Why would you buy a falling, retracement trading, day trading? Okay, money's been made. The market on the 1 hour chart must go from extension to retracement to extension to retracement. It's all good. But money on the 1 hour chart's already been made. Hedge fund trader Sam, what about you? Everybody, bring your strategies. Now it's time to trade. You are in the Forex trading week. Today is day 1. We are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live market. Type in the chat a currency pair do you want, buy or sell, what pattern, where is the stop loss, and where is the take profit. The last Forex trading week was date. Date was the winner. Give me a second. And after this Forex trading week, we are going to talk about crowns and finally Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci is 2. Give me a second. Alright, I'm going to put the... Anybody else want to make money with AUD USD? 30-minute time frame, short. Oh, thanks God, Alexander is short. Thanks God, Alexander is shorting, you know. 30-minute, alright, give me a second. 30-minute, now we are short, finally. Stop loss it at 0.66630 and take profit is at 0.662. 2.5. All right. Submit orders. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. Anybody else? This is not a candlestick formation trade. We are too late, everybody. Okay, Alexander, this is not a candlestick formation trade. This would be a short-term downtrend if you want. All right. I switched to another chart by mistake. Not a problem. Don't worry. Anybody else want to take a shot on AUD, USD, everybody? Hedge fund trader Sam, come on. Come on. By the way, I'm going to here, so it's comment. Alexander, Alex, shorting, 30 minutes. All right, very good. You can ask for any currency pair, any time frame, everybody. All right, I'm writing down for not to, I need to redo like you 20 days. It's the J Forex platform. So Alexander, AUD, USD, 30-minute short, which means sell. All right, anybody else, everybody? Sam, do you want to trade AUD, USD? There is no right or wrong. If not, let's go to another currency pair. Everybody? Yes, we have the learn how to risk course, and it's going to be, oh, here it's 9th, it's Ignacio comes the 9, September, October. Oh no, it's in October. We are on 24. October. We're in 24, so I believe on 9th. Ignacio is coming on the 9th. 16th of November, we have the learn how to risk or learn about risk course. Okay. What is there to learn? A lot. 99% of you are not making any money as advanced trader. You are not losing accounts anymore, but you are not changing your life. You are unable to make big bucks. I'm talking about the skill. I'm not judging you, I'm talking about the skill. You are unable to risk $5,000 on a $1 million account and stay calm. How much is $5,000 on 1 million? Type in the chat, everybody. I've been an active coach for 7 years. 99% of you are not able to risk $5,000 on a $1 million account and like be cool with that, like stay calm. How much is, in percentage base, how much is $5,000 on 1 million? What's the number? In the meantime, Sam is saying I'm going to go on the 4-hour chart and 4-hour chart and again 4-hour chart, and Sam is going to short the market. Stop loss 0.9. There is no 9.2, Sam, on AUD USD. $6.5, wrong currency pair, Sam. 0.92, you are not on AUD USD. I believe 0.92. 0.992, 0.9, 0.9. No, I would say you're not on AUD USD, Sam. How much is $5,000 in percentage on a 1 million? And you are unable to do it because you don't understand risk. The understanding of risk, the advanced institutional trader course, the understanding of risk, everybody, it's emotional, it's not technical. If you have a strategy with an edge and you're a pizza trader, you make money to buy a pizza, you have no Lambo, no Porsche, no Ferrari, is because you didn't learn about risk. Why is that? What is there to learn? A lot. Exactly. 0.5%. 99% of you guys are unable to risk 0.5% on $1 million accounts. This is not theory. I have the statistic from you guys for the last 7 years. This is no, oh, he's guessing. I have the statistic. Makes sense, everybody? As a coach, I have calculated good. Everybody, we have a lot of traders who are not breaking accounts anymore. Makes sense? It's all good. It's congratulations to them, you know. They cannot burn accounts anymore. So 50% check. But they cannot make big bucks. Makes sense? They cannot change their life. They're dreaming about big house, a big yacht, a big car. They're dreaming about being free, about traveling around the world. Make sense? They have a strategy with an edge, but they cannot risk enough risk. This is why we have the course for 4 Saturdays. Learn about risk. Risk, it's emotional, everybody. It's not technical. 0.669. Sam, is this the stop loss? 669, the stop loss? 669 on the 4-hour chart. Alright, so give me a second. So stop loss 0.669. Alright, what, and take profit was 656. 0.656. Submit. Let me see. Let me see. 656. Alright. What pattern are you, congratulations to Sam. What pattern, Sam, are you trading on the 4-hour? What is this pattern called? Sam, what are you trading on the 4-hour chart? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. What are we trading? So we have 2 different stop loss levels. This is the first Alexander, the second is Sam. What are you trading, Sam? What is this pattern called? The red one. What is this called? So add comment. Sam shorting the 4-hour. Sam shorting 4-hour. AUD USD. I'm writing it down. Sam 4-hour AUD USD. Alright? What is the pattern called, everybody? What is the pattern called that Sam is shorting right now on the 4-hour chart? How can I participate? Well, send me an email if you want to participate, everybody. You don't need to be in the Forex course to make sense, to participate. You can come as an extra student. Make sense? If you want to learn about risk, okay? If you are not losing accounts anymore, but you are not making big money, you have risk issues. Like me, we are all the same. Me too, 20 years ago. Everybody. You have money issues, risk issues. Yes, you can come, not a problem. No, you don't need to be in the Forex. I mean, it would be beneficial. Okay, if you want to learn about risk, send me an email, alright? And it's going to be September, October, November, after Ignacio comes along, November the 16th. Okay, everybody? Learn how to risk and learn about risk. Anybody else want to short the market on AUD USD? Short on trend, very good. Alexander says, seems like a market wave. Short on trend, very good, excellent. Okay, everybody, next. Type in the chat. Type in the chat, how are we going to make pips and money, everybody? What do you think? And remember, Forex Trading Week, we're trying to implement what we have learned so far. What could have Sam do better, everybody? What's the answer? What's the answer? Sam, that's for you, alright? Everybody, what can you do better? I mean, it's fair enough, you know, it's during the class, right? We all agree that we must enter during the class, but when you're by yourself, wait for the candle to close. Okay, everybody? If you have a bearish candlestick formation that you are trading, you need to wait for the candle to close. Otherwise, it's called premature entry. Great note to make. I need to wait for the candle to close. Alright, so Alexander has a better, easier way. It's on the 30-minute chart. So Alexander candle closed already, right? Before Alexander entered, this closed, you know. And here is the bearish candlestick formation. Alright? Now, dear analysts, is this market just going to fall in the meantime, or is this market going to wave and you are going to freak out in between? How is this market going to give you profits? Type in the chat. Oh, this market is going to fall and I'm going to make $1 billion in 15 minutes. Or is this market going to wave? How it goes? Learn about risk. It's 50% technical and it's 50% psychological, yes. You are going to learn why 90% of you, 99% of you are not at ease when it comes to big money. The more money you put on a trade, the more you are stressed, you know, and you are looking every second, you know, and does this make sense, everybody? You should, so a trained trader should feel this market like, oh, I am buying or selling sugar, or I'm buying or selling water or a glass. or a pen. I'm buying or selling, you know, raw material. A trained trader should feel that he or she is trading sugar, water, whatever, right? But if you are not trained, when you are going to see your 30,000 euros profit going into dust, you are not going to feel, oh, this is sugar, you know, it's alright, you know. You are going to freak out. I don't care if you believe me or not. I don't care if you believe me or not. I'm telling you, I have the numbers. You know, you are going to meet Heraldo, everybody, one of my oldest students. And he was managing a $1 million account. And he was unable to enter risking $5,000. Heraldo is not, well, Douglas would say, oh, he is stupid. Heraldo is not stupid. None of us, me too back in time, nobody's stupid in here. It's emotional, do you understand? I don't care, it's the truth. Do you understand? If you're not making big bucks, everybody, if you're not making big bucks, big money, you need to work on yourself. Emotionally, not technically. Short trend, it will wave, it's in a retracement, absolutely. Alright everybody, next. Any other currency pairs you want to check? We have 15 more minutes, everybody. Let's go to GBP USD. Why not? GBP USD. GBP USD, everybody. First come, first is served. Student traders on YouTube, type in the chat what currency pair, buy or sell, what pattern, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. First comes, first is served. Wow, Dade is here. Dade wants to win again. Dade wants to win again. Dade wants to win. Pardon my English. Dade wants to win again. Dade is selling. Stop loss at 1.30583. What time frame Dade are we talking about and what pattern? Take profit 1.28631. Submit. Alright, how are we going to make pips and money on GBP USD, everybody? Date, I believe that we might have a problem. Date, I believe we might have a problem. Just maybe. Date, I believe that the market is at past support, and I believe that the market is going to stop you out and then it's going to reverse. Maybe I'm wrong, you know, this is what I believe. What time frame? I'm joking, but what time frame, right? What time frame? Nah, I'm joking. GBP USD and add comment whoops, date short. What time frame date? I'm on the daily. If we go to the and we are here, right? What time frame? What time frame? What time frame? On the 1 hour chart, it looks like a nice trade, but Forex course 101, we are trying to, Forex trading week, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. Daily. On the 1 hour chart, everybody, you need to wait for the candles to close. This is not a bearish candlestick formation, not yet. Okay, but it's at a great level. On the 1 hour chart, it's at past resistance, great level. All right, from the daily. If this is the daily trade date, your stop loss is in the wrong place. Okay. And why are you shorting a bullish moving candle? Everybody, why are you shorting a bullish moving candle? Oh, but it's still moving, boss. Yes, it is, but why are you shorting a bullish moving candle? Date, if you lose on the trade, I'm going to call in the office and I'm going to ask you, Date, why did you do this? On the 1 hour, it's alright. On the daily, it's not alright. I have the picture. Why did you short the market there? If you enter prematurely and if you make money, it's okay. If you enter prematurely and you lose, this loser, it's not acceptable anymore. Everybody, make sense? Boss, can I come into the learn about risk course just one day? I'm sorry, but no. Why would you come just one day? It's 4 weekends, 4 Saturdays. It's 4 Saturdays, 4 hours per Saturday. Everybody, you cannot understand this, it's too soon. The Forex and Crypto Technical Course 101, this is the easy stuff. Now, having a strategy that works and meaning risking a lot of money, it's not. Make sense? You need to grow step by step, step by step, step by step. Heraldo is not stupid, believe me. Heraldo knows that 5%, Heraldo knows that 0.5% on 1 million is $5,000. Make sense? It's that simple. But he is not entering. He's entering $200 stop loss, $400 stop loss, $700 stop loss. Boss, so what? Oh my gosh. Can you make 100,000 euros or dollars in 1 year? Listen to me. What's wrong with Heraldo? Can you make $100,000 or euros in 1 year on a $1 million account if you are risking $300, $700? What is the answer? What's the answer? Do you understand why this is called the money phase? Forex course 2, it's called the money phase. Here you are learning how to make money. Forex course 101, it's all about the market. It's the market wave, the trend lines, the Fibonacci's. But no Lambo without the money phase. Makes sense, everybody? No house for you with the Lambo, unless you understand and learn many things. Risk is one. Okay? Somebody not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform, type what's the problem with Heraldo risking $500 per trade? And this is the answer. Can you make $100,000 or euros in 1 year, which would be a humble 10%? Can you make 10% per year on a $1 million account which would be 100,000, risking 500 bucks or 700. What's the answer? This is pure math. Everybody, this has nothing to do with psychology. This is pure math, and it's all logical. Who is courageous enough to type in the chat? Is this possible? Can you make it like this? Take a calculator. You know, if you're risking 500, take a calculator and figure out, if you're risking $500 per trade, how many how many winners in a row should you have to make 10%, which is $100,000? This is what we're talking about, the logic behind. Learn about risk. Everybody? So, one, right? It's $100,000. 100, everybody, is 100,000 10% on 1 million? Yes, it is. Alright? So I'm going to divide 100,000 divided 500, which is the stop loss on a trade, right? 200. Alright? I need to make 200 trades with the 1 per 1 to have 100,000. Can you understand the logic? What you don't understand, everybody, is the question, what's the probability of me and you and Geraldo to have 200 trades profitable in a row? What's the answer? You can type, it's impossible, it's extremely low probability, it's low probability, or it's possible, or you can say, oh yeah, no big deal, you know, piece of cake. The understanding of risk, it's emotional, it's not technical. Can I risk 500 bucks on a trade and make 10% in 1 year? Yes, you can. You just need to have two. Yes, you can. You need to have 200 winners, but here is the problem. They must be in a row. If you have winner, winner, loser, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, loser, winner, winner, loser, then it's not going to be 200. It's going to be 1,000 trades in a row, if not more. And if you are trading the daily chart or the 4-hour chart example, can you make 10% on 1 million? Everybody give a big applause to Alexander. It's not possible. Not possible. If this video recording after the class, we are live, if this video recording doesn't get at least 50 likes, I don't know what to tell you, man. And now if this class doesn't get at least 50 likes on YouTube, I don't know what to tell you. It's impossible. A big applause, everybody, to Alexander. The most important question is this, everybody. It's the next one. Is this logical to you? What we're just talking about. Is this common sense to you? See, everybody, why you must come to the Forex course too. Do you understand now why this is a must? If you want to make money. If you don't want to make money, you don't need. If you want to make money, Forex course 202, the advanced institutional trader course, it's a must. And I'm not arrogant, you know, and trying to sell, you know. I'm looking for traders. Because you are not still, see here it's even written, you know, you must come to this course. Why? Because you are not stupid, but you are lacking some specific knowledge. Make sense, everybody? Alexandra, it's impossible. This is pure math, common sense. It's all logical. We have 5 minutes to go. Is anybody in here, YouTube to Dukascopy Academy, is anybody in here who does not understand the conversation? Type in the chat, boss, I don't get it. For me, it's not logical what you are talking about. In the meantime, date, if you lose, I'm going to put you out of competition. How this sounds? Date, if you are shorting a bullish candle moving up and you lose, I'm going to get you out of the competition. How this sounds? This is not fair, boss. Okay, alright. But first warning, date. Everybody, we are trying to implement what we have learned in the Forex trading week. Don't buy. Wrong. If you are shorting right now, it's wrong timing. Boss, but this candle didn't close yet. Exactly, it's wrong timing. Make sense? We don't know if this candle is going to close bullish and is going to go up. We don't know if this candle is going to close bullish and is going to go up and stop dead out. Okay? But it's also a fact that you are not shorting a bearish candle. Do we agree on that, everybody? I'm shorting a market that is going up. It's shifting structure and not fair. All right, first warning. Date, if you win, it's alright. If you don't win, I'm going to call in the office, alright? Don't buy, everybody. If you short the market, 1 hour it's alright, but if you're shorting the market on the daily, this is a premature entry. You are speculating that the daily candle, is going to close, example, like this, bearish. Alright? The daily candle is bullish and you are entering right now shorting the market because you are expecting this to happen. Agreed? What we just described, it's called speculation. Don't speculate. Don't speculate. If you would enter from the 1 hour chart, that's a different story, see? Talking about, and also I need to wait for this candle to close. Make sense, everybody? So at least the 1 hour chart, it's a past resistance area that we've learned, and the market didn't break the relevant high yet. Alright? Those are all indications on better timing. If this candle closes bearish and then hopefully, you know, it breaks the counter trend line break, and if this happens, how do you think the daily candle is going to be? If the 1 hour chart breaks the counter trend line, we had a lesson about that, everybody. You take 24 candles. Why 24? Because one day has 24 hours, right? If you take 24 candles, right, and you put a rectangle like this, software. All right. And the 1 hour chart breaks the counter trend line, then the daily is going to have this tail and this body. Can you understand, everybody, the difference? When you speculate, that's going to be the daily then. Does this make sense? You have timing. It's a great note to make. You have timing that it's alright on some time frames, but at exactly the same time it's not alright on other time frames. Great note to make. Boss, can you repeat please? I forgot. So, talking about timing, there are times that it's okay to enter in some time frames, correct timing, but simultaneously it's not okay on the other time frames. It's wrong timing. Alright, everybody, we're done for the day. See you back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Hopefully I'm not going to be late. Hopefully OBS is going to work. Until tomorrow everybody prepare your strategies, right? Everybody come with your strategies. We have the Forex trading week. Remember, if you're not taking advantage of the Black Friday promotion, it's alright. You can still come to the one lesson, one call, a group call, Advanced Institutional Trader. The student with the best result will be awarded to participate. GBPUSD looks perfect for short. 30-minute chart date can make some pips by moving take profit to upward. Do you want to make one more, Alexander? I'm short on time. Black Friday, everybody, you can take advantage today. You don't need to wait for the Black Friday week if you want. Okay. How can I get rid of this one? Okay, so... Anyways, Alexander, I need to go. We're going to talk about tomorrow, GBPUSD, alright? Alright, everybody, stay strong and study candlestick formations like a